Accumulation of toxic metals in soil/dust along motorways from Champa to Katghora of Chhattisgarh state. Abstract environmental pollution of toxic metals/heavy metals from road vehicle has attained much attention nowadays. The vehicular pollution between Champa to korba-katghora is increasing day by day, and it affects agriculture as well as living beings. This works leads to study of different concentrations of the toxic metals/heavy metals like Hg, Cr, Cu, Cd, Ni, Pb, Zn, Co, and S. Toxic metals/heavy metals accumulation in soils along motorways by mainly due to transportation of coal ash, fly ash, and coal through heavy trucks and other transportation vehicles. Near the roadways soil sample from 10 locations, Champa, Saragbundiya, Madawarani, Urga, Corba, Darri, Gopalpur, Chhuri, and Katghora, were investigated during different seasons. Concentration of toxic metals/heavy metals were determined by flame atomic absorption spectrophotometric, AAS. Present work indicates toxic effect of toxic/heavy metals. Keywords: toxic metals, environmental pollution, fly ash, coal dust. Introduction. Corba district is situated in the northern half of the Chhattisgarh state and surrounded by the districts Korea, Sarguja, Bilaspur, Janjagar etc. The headquarter of Corba district situated about 200 kilometers from the capital city Raipur. The district's total area is 7,14,544 hectare, out of which 2,83,497 hectares is forest land. Champa korba-katghora road is the most important road which connects Raigurh, Shivrinarayan, Ambikapur, Pendra etc. Corba city is one of the most important industrial area in Chhattisgarh, therefore population density of the Corba district has getting increased. Corba district population in 2021 is 1,334,489, estimates as per aadharuidai.gov.in December 2020 data. As per 2011 Census of India, Corba is also known as Power Hub. The large, moderate and small-scaled industrial facilities are intensified along the roadway. List of factories in Corba. 1 ACB, India, Limited Chakabura Coal Washery. 2 ACB, India, Limited Binyari Coal Washery. 3 ACB, India, Ltd Dipka Coal Washery. 4 Hastio Thermal Power Station, CSPGCL Corba West. 5 Smelter Plant Bharat Aluminium Company Limited. 6 MW Chakabura Thermal Power Plant. 7 270 MW Captive Power Plant Bharat Aluminium Company Limited. 8 NTPC Limited, Corba Super Thermal Power Station. 9 Vandana Power Project Chhuri. 10 DSPM Thermal Power Plant Corba. 11 Lanko Thermal Power Plant Potarai. 12 Madawa Thermal Power Plant Champa. 13 Open and Underground Coal Mines, Kusmanda, Gavera, Delwada, Bankimagra, Jawala, Rajgamar, Manikpur etc. Due to increase in population, industrialization, and road traffic density, the amount of emission was also increased and accumulation of toxic/heavy metals along road gradually increases. Toxic/heavy metals such as Hg, Cr, Cu, Cd, Ni, Pb, Zn, Co, and S are main reasons for this pollution. Block and dams, 1, have reported the presence of mercury in coal dust, fly ash up to a level of 0.6 ppm. The concentration level of the toxic/heavy metals in dust, fly ash have been described by earlier works as follows. 3. Toxic/heavy metals like Cd and Pb concentration cause decrease in glucose 6-phosphate activity. This results in increased oxidative stress and increased lipid peroxidation, which causes toxicity in the liver and kidney. Therefore toxic/heavy metals were selected as the topic of this research. The maximum lead concentration in the soil along roadways is observed in truck stoppage, petrol/diesel pumps, weighing rooms, speed breakers and rooms, speed breakers and trucks repairing shops. Cu, Cr, and Zn elements in soil along the road are the main material of various alloys, pipes, cables and tire. Nickel in gasoline and Cd and Zn in tires and motor oils were found in high concentration earlier. 4,5. Study of pollution along roadways is necessary. The aim of this study is to investigate the environmental pollution due to toxic/heavy metals accumulation in the soil layer along the Champa korba-katghora road, industrial belt. Experimental. Sample location. 1. Champa Railway Champa City Airway Junction, S1. 2. Kothari Railway Corba Champa Junction, S2. 3. Urga Weighing Room, S3. 4. Saragbundiya Petrol Pump, S4. 5 Corba trucks repairing shops, Transport Nagar, S5. 6 speed breakers Sidamani Outer, S6. 7 Darri Gopalpur petrol pumps, S7. 8 Chhuri agricultural area, S8. 9 Katghora Bilaspur Ambikapur junction, S9. 10 Madawarani speed breaker, S10. Sample preparation and detection. The sample of soil from different location were collected at a depth of 0 to 0.7 cm reduced to a suitable size, less than 2 mm, using the method of repeated quartering and dried at 1000 C and will be wet digested with HNO3HClO4 mixture, then refluxed with concentrated HNO3 to solubilize the metals, and stored in polythene bags. Hg, Cr, Cu, Cd, Ni, Pb, Zn, Co, and S were carried out with flame absorption spectrophotometer. Other elements are estimated by usual methods. Bulk density. Weigh exactly 20 gms of powdered soil and fill in a 100 ml measuring cylinder by tapping. Note the reading, volume, of the cylinder which is occupied by the soil. Results and discussion. The heavy/toxic metal concentration range and average for soil sample collected from S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. S6, S7, S8, S9, and S10 roadways for Hg, Cr, Cu, Cd, Ni, Pb, Zn, Co and S. Elements are as above. Toxic/heavy metals concentration exceed the permissible limits of these elements in the earth crust. Few elements such as Pb, Cd, Hg, as are toxic in nature. Concentrations determined along the route are closely associated with the sample location such as residential area and speed breakers on the road. Heavy/toxic metals are those having density higher than the water/soil 6. They are present in trace amount but they are toxic even at very low concentration. Soil dispersion along motorways gradually increases due to transportation of coal, fly ash which causes environmental problem. This metal reduces productivity of crops and change many physicochemical reactions in human body. According to toxic/heavy metals accumulation along the Champa korba-katghora route, agricultural activity should be prohibited. For public, children, this route is not safe. Residential site should be rearranged. In order to minimize the toxic/heavy metals accumulation in the region, way of transportation of coal fly ash should be changed by air, rail, or sea.